In today's lesson, we will be looking at solving with area equations in word problems. Kent the potato grower needs to fertilize 2 of his fields. One field is triangular shaped with a base of 38 yards and a height of 54 yards. The second field is a trapezoid with one base 58 yards and the other base is 58 minus 20. The height is shown as 54. If each bag of fertilizer covers 135 square yards, how many bags will Kent need? So this is a 3-step problem. If we look at the drawing, we have a triangle and a trapezoid. The first step is to find the area of the triangle. Write down the formula, substitute your numbers in place of the dimensions in the formula, and then multiply. 38 times 54, 1/2 of that is 1,026 square yards. Then find the area of the trapezoid. Write down the trapezoid formula and substitute in the numbers for the dimensions you know. Multiply out the problem. First, 58 plus 38 would give you 96. That gives you 1/2 times 96 times 54. Multiply 96 times 54. That will give you 1/2 times 5,184. And then take your 5,184 times 1/2 to get a total area of 2,592 square yards. The next step is to add those two areas together. And then we're going to divide by 135 because it says every bag is 135 square yards. That tells us that he then needs 26 8/10 bags to cover the space. The problem is he can't buy a piece of a bag. So in this case, he would need to round up and buy 27 bags of fertilizer.